Yo, what up, yo? This is Willpower. This is what I do. I'm in the studio creating. So I create many things, and one of the things I create is BodyX, my own instrument to use for my light and sound immersive performances. This is the process of me documenting my process. So one of my practices is to document my process of engineering soft hardware, wearable tech, so that I have a point of reference. And in my tech lab, if you go there, you can see the documentation of my projects, kind of step by step of how I create my own technology as an independent artist. So yeah, as you see here, these are designs for BodyX that I'm working on, laser cut fabric in which I will embed the circuit and electronics of the digital instrument that is a wearable instrument, turning the body itself into the actual instrument.